Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the integration and transfer of new contacts from Zoho Inventory to the Gmail service. This is necessary in order to automatically send letters through the Gmail service with each new contact from Zoho Inventory. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho Inventory data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, I want to receive new contacts. At this point, you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho Inventory system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Zoho Inventory contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Zoho Inventory data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. We select the system Gmail. Next, you need to select an action. Send email. At this stage, you need to connect your Google account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the username and password of your personal Google account. At this stage, be sure to check all the checkboxes for access. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you see the Gmail fields for sending emails. In the To Email field, you need to select a variable from Zoho Inventory that contains the contact's email address. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. In this case, you fill in the subject and body based on the fact that such an email will be sent to each new contact from Zoho Inventory. If you want to receive information about new contacts in Zoho Inventory to your mail, then in this field you enter your mail manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to the specified mail for each new contact from Zoho Inventory. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. After successful sending, go to Gmail and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup for receiving Gmail data successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.